How to restore the classic Alt+Tab dialog in Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Registry Editor on your device. You will find this kind of screen. Here on the left side, simply click on H key current user and expand it. Here, you'll find all these options. Click on Software and expand Software. Then scroll down in Software, you'll find different options. Expand Windows in here. After you expand Windows, you will find different options again. In here, click on Current Version and expand Current Version. After that, again you'll find different options. Simply scroll down in here. After you scroll down, expand Explorer or simply click on Explorer. Then on the right side, simply click on Anywhere and then press on New. After you press on New in here, click on DWORD 32-bit value. After that, you can simply type in Alt+Tab Settings and press on Enter. After that, double click on what you just created and in Value Data add 1. And then press on Enter or press on OK. After you do that, you can restart your device and you're good to go. This is how to restore the classic Alt+Tab dialog in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.